Hello everybody, and welcome once again to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on today is a spicy dark temptation. It's a rum-based drink. We're getting the spice from a little cayenne, but I think it's gonna be really good. So here we go. First, we want 1.5 ounces of rum. We're using reefed rum for this recipe. Next, we want 1/2 ounce of a chocolate liqueur. Actually, give me that back. Just 1/2 ounce. Next, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of espresso, fresh brewed. 1 ounce of cream. And last, before we stir, we're going to hit it with a little cayenne. Give it a quick and easy stir real quick. Add a little ice. Give it another good stir. Got our glass. What I added was a cinnamon stick to the mix. Give it a little more flavor. Here we go. Spicy dark temptation. It almost has a milkshake feel to it, but everything comes through nicely. The chocolate, just a little spice. You know, you adjust the spice level to your preference. I could have went a little more heavier, but it's good. The coffee is in the background because it wasn't too much coffee, but so this isn't going to keep you up at night. But this is another good after dinner milk. I mean, a good after dinner drink. Not after dinner milk, but anyway, can't talk right now. Too many videos, too many drinks. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.